The cubit is an ancient unit based on the forearm length from the middle fingertip to the elbow bottom. Cubits of various lengths were employed in many parts of the world in antiquity, during the Middle Ages and as recently as early modern times. The term is still used in hedge laying, the length of the forearm being frequently used to determine the interval between stakes placed within the hedge. Etymology. The English word cubit comes from the Latin noun cubitum, elbow, from the verb cubo, cubere, cubue, cubitum, to lie down, from which also comes the adjective recumbent. Ancient Egyptian royal cubit. The ancient Egyptian royal cubit is the earliest attested standard measure. Cubit rods were used for the measurement of length. A number of these rods have survived. Two are known from the tomb of Maya, the treasurer of Tutankhamun, in Saqqara. Another was found in the tomb of Kha in Thebes. 14 such rods, including one double cubit rod, were described and compared by Lepsius in 1865. These cubit rods range from 523 to 529 mm in length, and are divided into 7 palms. Each palm is divided into 4 fingers and the fingers are further subdivided. Early evidence for the use of this royal cubit comes from the early dynastic period. On the Palermo stone, the flood level of the Nile River during the reign of the pharaoh Dija is given as measuring 6 cubits and 1 palm. Use of the royal cubit is also known from Old Kingdom architecture, from at least as early as the construction of the step pyramid of Djoser in around 2700 BC. The Sumerian or Nippur cubit. In 1916, during the last years of the Ottoman Empire and in the middle of World War I, the German Assyriologist Eckhard Unger found a copper alloy bar while excavating at Nippur. The bar dates from c. 2650 BC and Unger claimed it was used as a measurement standard. This irregularly formed and irregularly marked graduated rule supposedly defined the Sumerian cubit as about 518.6 mm. Biblical cubit. The Near Eastern or Biblical cubit is usually estimated as approximately 45.7 centimeters. Ancient Greece. The ancient Greek cubit, called a pechis, measured approximately 462.4 millimeters. The short forearm cubit from the wrist to the elbow, called the pygmy, measured approximately 345.4 millimeters. Ancient Rome. In ancient Rome, according to Vitruvius, a cubit was equal to 1.5 Roman feet or 6 palm width, which is 443.8 millimeters. Other systems. Other measurements based on the length of the forearm include some lengths of L, the Chinese kai, the Japanese shaku, the Indian asta, the Thai sok, the Tamil, the unit of measurement, and the Khmer hat. Cubit arm in heraldry. A cubit arm in heraldry may be dexter or sinister. It may be vested and may be shown in various positions, most commonly erect, but also fesswise, bendwise, and is often shown grasping objects. It is most often used erect as a crest, for example by the families of points of Iron Acton, Roll of Stevenston and Turton. Bibliography. Arnold, Dieter. The Encyclopedia of Ancient Egyptian Architecture. Taurus. ISBN 1-86064-465-1. Petrie, Sir Flinders. Pyramids and Temples of Giza. Stone, Mark H. The Cubit. A History and Measurement Commentary, Journal of Anthropology DOI, 10.1155, 2014 489,757, 2014.